Looking for the best air fryers in this video, we've selected the top 5 options based on performance, features, value, and customer reviews. Number 5. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT, a powerful 2024 air fryer with a PFAS-free ceramic coating, 9 cooking functions, and 450 degrees Fahrenheit TurboBlaze technology for fast, crispy, and evenly cooked meals. Price, $85.36. For under $90, it delivers premium features like ceramic non-stick coating, multiple cooking modes, and a spacious 6-quart basket, making it an excellent value for families and everyday cooking. 6-quart capacity, ideal for 3 to 5 people. 9 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, keep warm. TurboBlaze technology with 5 fan speeds and 4 turbo modes for faster, more even cooking. Wide temperature range, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from dehydrating fruit to crispy fries. PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating for healthier cooking and easy cleanup. 1725W high-power heating for quick preheating and consistent results. LED touchscreen controls with customizable preheat settings. Dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate for easy maintenance. Includes a recipe book and access to 100+ in-app recipes with nutrition information. Pros: excellent crisping performance with even cooking. Safe PFAS-free ceramic coating. Large 6-quart capacity for family meals. Easy-to-use touchscreen controls. Quiet operation and fast cooking. Dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. Cons: no Wi-Fi or smart home compatibility. Exterior can become warm during extended cooking. Slightly larger footprint than compact air fryers. Ceramic coating requires gentle utensils for long-term durability. Number 4. Ninja XL Air Fryer Pro AF181. Ninja XL Air Fryer Pro AF181. A powerful 6.5-quart, 6-in-1 air fryer featuring max crisp technology and 450 degrees Fahrenheit cooking for extra crispy, fast, and delicious meals. Price, $119.99. For around $120, you get a spacious family-size air fryer with fast cooking performance, versatile cooking modes, and Ninja's trusted build quality. Great value for frequent home cooks. 6.5-quart capacity, perfect for families. Cooks up to 5 pounds of fries or 9 pounds of chicken wings. 6-in-1 cooking functions: max crisp, air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Max Crisp technology delivers hotter airflow for crispier food with little to no oil. Up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature for faster cooking and better browning. 1750-watt heating system ensures quick preheating and consistent cooking. Touch screen controls with programmable timer and temperature settings. Non-stick basket and crisper plate for easy food release and simple cleanup. Automatic shutoff adds extra safety during cooking. Includes a 20-recipe cookbook to help you get started. Pros: excellent crisping performance with max crisp technology. Large 6.5-quart basket for family meals. Fast cooking with powerful 1750W heating. Simple touch controls and easy-to-clean non-stick basket. Durable Ninja build quality and reliable performance. Cons: no smart app or Wi-Fi connectivity. Non-stick coating requires gentle care to maintain durability. Exterior can become warm during extended cooking. Slightly more expensive than many basic air fryers. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT Air Fryer. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT Air Fryer, a premium 6-in-1 air fryer featuring even crisp technology, a sleek stainless steel design, and fast, crispy cooking for everyday meals. Price, $139.99. At $139.99, it offers premium performance, a trusted Instant Pot brand, versatile cooking functions, and dishwasher-safe accessories, making it a great investment for busy households. 6-quart capacity, ideal for families and everyday cooking. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Even crisp technology delivers crispy, golden results with little to no oil. 1700 W heating power for fast preheating and efficient cooking. Temperature range: 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from dehydrating fruit to roasting meats. Touch screen controls with customizable cooking programs. Dishwasher-safe basket and tray for quick and easy cleanup. Stylish stainless steel finish that complements modern kitchens. Compact footprint while still offering generous cooking capacity. Pros: outstanding even crisp technology for crispy, evenly cooked food. Easy-to-use touchscreen interface with multiple presets. Dishwasher-safe basket and tray simplify cleanup. Premium stainless steel construction and attractive design. Reliable performance from the trusted Instant Pot brand. Cons: maximum temperature is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lower than some competitors offering 450 degrees Fahrenheit. No Wi-Fi or smart home compatibility. Premium price compared to many standard air fryers. Exterior stainless steel can show fingerprints. Number 2. Ninja DZ550 Foodi DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer. Ninja Foodi DZ550 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer, a premium 10-quart dual basket air fryer with a smart cook thermometer, letting you cook 2 different meals at the same time with perfect results. Price: $169.99. For $169.99, you get a large capacity DualZone air fryer packed with smart cooking features, making it an excellent value for large families and meal prep. 10-quart total capacity with 2 independent 5-quart baskets for cooking 2 foods simultaneously. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Foodi Smart Thermometer automatically monitors food for perfect doneness. Smart Finish syncs cooking so both baskets finish at the same time. Match cook copies settings to both baskets for larger batches. Temperature range: 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from dehydrating to high heat crisping. IQ Boost technology optimizes power when both baskets are in use. 1690 W heating system delivers fast and even cooking. Dishwasher-safe crisper plates and PFAS-free non-stick coating for easy cleanup. Includes 2 baskets, 2 crisper plates, smart thermometer, and a 15-recipe guide. Pros: dual baskets save time by cooking 2 different meals at once. Smart thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meat every time. Smart Finish and Match Cook make multitasking effortless. Large 10-quart capacity is perfect for families and entertaining. Powerful 450 degrees Fahrenheit cooking produces crispy, evenly cooked food. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and easy. Cons: more expensive than single-basket air fryers. Large size requires significant countertop space. Heavier than most standard air fryers at nearly 20 pounds. No Wi-Fi or smart home connectivity. Number 1. Chefman TurboFry 8QT Air Fryer. Chefman TurboFry 8QT Air Fryer, a spacious 8-quart 4-in-1 air fryer with a 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry mode for extra crispy, delicious meals with less oil. Price: $119.99. At $119.99, it offers a large family-size capacity, easy-to-use controls, and crisp cooking performance, making it a great value for everyday home cooking. 8-quart XL capacity, perfect for families and large meals. 4-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, bake, reheat, and frozen food cooking. 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry mode adds extra crispiness during the final minutes of cooking. 1700 W rapid air technology for fast, even cooking with little to no oil. Touch screen controls with programmable time and temperature settings. LED shake reminder helps ensure evenly cooked, crispy food. Non-stick basket is dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Stainless steel finish provides a modern, durable look. Automatic shutoff adds extra safety and convenience. Pros: Large 8-quart basket is ideal for family-sized meals. High fry mode delivers crispier fries, wings, and frozen foods. Simple touchscreen interface with helpful shake reminder. Dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup easy. Fast, even cooking with 1700 W power. Attractive stainless steel design. Cons. Fewer cooking functions than some 6-in-1 or 9-in-1 competitors. No Wi-Fi or smart app connectivity. Exterior can become warm during extended cooking. Takes up more counter space than compact models. If you're interested in the Chefman TurboFry 8QD air fryer, check the affiliate link in the description for the latest price and deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and the best buying guides.